Variables and their types. In Python programs, you often like to store values during the execution of the program so that these values can be used or manipulated later in the program. So, a variable is a name which refers to a value in the memory of the computer. Rules for writing variables. When we write variables, following rules are applicable. It must start with an alphabet, upper or lowercase, or an underscore. It can consist of only alphabets, digits, and underscore without violating the first rule. No special character is allowed in a variable name except underscore. Reserved keywords of Python cannot be used as variable name. It can be of any length. Variables in Python are case sensitive, like sum, sum are different variable names. It is always a good practice to follow these identifier naming conventions. Variable names should be meaningful and short. Generally, they are written in lowercase letters. Some valid variable names are sum underscore xy, var1, obj underscore 3, age underscore student, etc. Every variable has an identity, that is a name, a data type, a value of that data type. Identity of a variable. It is an address in memory and does not change once it has been created. Type, that is data type. It is the set of values and operations that can be performed on those values. It can be one of the following types. Number. Number data type stores numerical values. This data type is immutable, that is, value of this type of variable cannot be changed. These are of three different types: integer and long, float or floating point, complex. Range of an integer in Python can be from -2147483648 to 2147483647, and long integer has unlimited range subject to available memory. Sequence. A sequence is an ordered collection of items indexed by positive integers. In other languages, it is called an array. Three types of sequence data type available in Python are strings, lists, and tuples. String. A string is a group of ordered characters or letters. They are enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. The quotes are not part of string. They only mark the beginning and end of the string. Any character can be enclosed in the string, including spaces if any. Example: A equals to Priya. Keywords. These are the words which have a special meaning for the Python interpreter, which recognizes the data type, values, int, 6, -10, 65, 3245, float, 78.54, -67.43, 0.54311, 78654, str, Python, bool, 5 is greater than 2. Structure of a Python program. As these words have specific meaning for interpreter, they cannot be used for any other purpose.